Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at theming in Flutter. Now, theming in Flutter is a little bit complicated, but today we'll be using a special package which has made it easier for us, the Flex Color Scheme. And today we'll be looking at how to use the built-in Flex Color themes and also creating your own custom theme. And without wasting time, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also like this video and let's get started. So first things first, create your Flutter code, and we won't be changing a lot of things here. We'll be using the boiler code over here, so we'll only be changing the theme. Now let's go to the Flex Color Scheme playground, and you can see the built-in themes already. So if you click on any of the themes, it will change in real time. So just select the one you want to use. We'll be using this for example, and then we'll delete this theme and add our own. Alright, so let's import this, and we have the flex theme data.light and the flex theme data.dark. The scheme we are using is a Sakura, and if you press this, you can see the different colors, different schemes available that you can use. So we'll be using the Sakura, and let's try to run our app. Alright, so and this is our app has finished running, and we can see our theme being shown in the app. I think it's using the dark theme, so let's change this to the light theme and see how it looks. Theme.light, and let's run this. Let's restart our app. Alright, and this is our light theme. Now if you check the playground and you can't find any of the theme that you like, you want to create your own custom theme, that is very easy to do too. So let's create a new file called the theme.dat. Alright, and here we have our custom theme. So Flex Color Scheme light equals to Flex Color Scheme. Yeah, let's import the Flex Color Scheme. Alright, so let's create our primary color. Primary, I'll say colors dot light blue, colors.light blue. Let's import our material. Sync is light. Alright, then for the secondary, we'll be using colors dot amber. Is that yes, amber accents, and I'll make this like 100. Alright, so let's also try to style the text, and here we have texting. We'll be styling the display large. Yeah, the other types can style the display medium, the display small, headline medium. We'll be using the display large, and then we'll call it text style. The color, maybe colors dot amber accents, the main amber accents, and then the font size, let's give it 40. Alright, and I think this is all we'll be styling over here. So other things you can style: the brightness, you can add the color scheme, the primary, container, secondary, error, surface, background, and others. Okay, let's try to add a background to it. So background for this background, colors dot, let's try to give it a gray, colors dot gray. Alright, and here we are through it, the light color scheme. Let's copy this Ctrl C, and use this as our dark color scheme too. Ctrl V. So this will be dark. Dark. And here we'll have the main blue. Instead of light blue, we'll have the deep blue dots. Blue. Okay. Instead of having the light amber accent here, we'll have the 700. Oh, let's just change everything over here. Let's have purple here. That's purple. Deep purple. Okay. And in our text, let's give it a deep purple too. That's deep purple. And the background should be colors dots black. Let's see it. Alright, let's make everything a constant. Cool. Now we are through with our color scheme. Let's now turn this to the theme. So we'll say theme data lights equals lights dots to theme, and then theme data dark equals to dark dots to theme. Alright, cool. And then let's go into our main and change all the theme we have over here. Let's let this current, and then we'll have the lights. Okay, let's try to import our theme lights, and then dark theme will be dark. And first of all, let's see the light theme. Theme mode equals to theme mode dot light. Let's restart our app. Alright, this is our light theme. You can see the light blue here and the amber color. Let's change the text here to show the text theme. So we come over here and give it a style. So theme dot of context dot text theme dot, because we changed the display large dot display large, and let's remove the constant over here. Alright, we restart. Okay, and we can see the text theme over here. So let's try to check our dark theme. Theme dot dark. Restart. Wow. And this is our dark theme. Yeah, why is this still blue? Okay, I'm actually using light blue for this. Let me see. Theme colors are blue. They're almost the same, so let me just change this to deep orange, and if we restart, so we can see how our color schemes work. Also, if you want to use the material theming style, just come in here. Alright, use material 3, make it true. Use material 3 and make it true. So we restart, and here's how it looks without material 3, and let's say I look with material 3 design. Let's see. Okay, and this is with the material 3 design. You can see our floating action button changed, and this is just how to theme your app in Flutter. This is how you theme your Flutter app, and if you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe. Also, try to follow me on my social media accounts, and I'll see you in the next lesson.